In non-ideal solution, what type of deviation shows the formation of maximum boiling azeotrope? The straight single answer for this question is negative deviation. If the azeotrope is maximum boiling, then the deviation is negative. If it is minimum boiling azeotrope, then it is positive deviation. Okay, for understanding the concept, I will explain it in detail. See, if the deviation is negative, then we know the new interactions developed between A component and B component. That means AB interaction will be stronger than AA interaction and BB interaction, right? Then definitely what happened? The vapor pressure decreases, correct? If vapor pressure decreases, then what about boiling point? Boiling point increases. Boiling point of the solution will be greater than the pure components. If boiling point is greater, then we call it as what? Maximum boiling azeotrope. Hope you understand. Okay, and you know, as you in at a specific composition, the mixture behave as a single substance and boil at a constant temperature. That's a speciality of azeotrope, right?